Brandon at the BJ's Customs YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him. And here's what he did with it. He built an entire team of cars. I love this rig. And this is my second favorite. There's a whole group of cars you'll see that he built here. The first two are definitely my favorite. Just the imagination in the second one cracks me up. And the first one's just tough. The others are cool too. They all have a steampunk kind of feel to them. And you'll see a group shot here. Brandon's YouTube channel is listed in the comments of this video. Please check out this build video. He has that there, as well as other videos that he's done. And I've also have a link to his Instagram channel. I thank him for participating in this event. Thanks also to my Patreon supporters for helping to make all of this possible. And thanks to you for watching. I hope you enjoy these challenges as much as I enjoy putting them on, and I hope people have fun participating. Thanks again, Brandon, for taking part in this. Everyone stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.